Good evening, folks. What's up? This is the one and only Marcel Hall. Arriving on track number 1 at the Oakland London Square Station. This is Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 14. This train will be making a long-distance journey to Seattle. And ALC 42 leading on, that is 319, followed by P42 DC number 29, tailing in the back. So this is the concept on the Coast Starlight coming up, and I'd like to say thank you, Eric Fong, for catching the Coast Starlight from San Jose. So please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you. Enjoy my video. Enjoy the show. Once again, this is the Coast Starlight, train number 14, going to Seattle, making a pit stop here at the Oakland London Square, Oakland, California. That is the ALC 42 leading off. The Seaman Charger. Actually, it's 316 and P42 number 19. This is train number 14. This train would take about a 20-minute break. And P42 number 19 is telling. So we'll be right back after this commercial break for the Coast Starlight. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we are back right now on the Marcel Hall YouTube channel. This is Coast Starlight train 14. Amtrak, once again, Coast Starlight 14 going to Seattle. And ALC 42 316 leading off. P42 DC number 29. All right, Coast Starlight 14, give me a horn show. Alright, have a safe trip to Seattle. Please do not get delayed. Alright, folks, take that train. That train is going to Seattle. Alright, folks, this is Marcel Hall. That is all for tonight on the Marcel Hall YouTube channel of RailFed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your colleagues about me. Thank you for watching. Have a good Monday night. Bye-bye.